really move dollar. It can only, even when it's positive, let's say it's move positive, it can only shake body small. It's not a dollar is stressing in mess. Then 7:30 p.m. back of Canada, Governor McLean is speaking. So I think this is anything speech is only powerful. This is just like a FOMC for Canada. So if you are trading, if you are any Canadian peer, just be guided for this 7:30 p.m. So as for Euro, we have negativity, neutral, and positivity. So all these news are just a little shaking. So where are we? Let's first see the mother of all, which is DSY. Guys, this guy is bearish. I'm highly disappointed on what dollar is doing now. Really. Last week, we're having a kind of hope for a bullish, at least a good, maybe bullish to all this, to these guys here. But you can see this week, we're having a very weak week on dollar. So price now is currently trading on weekly basis. Now, last week closed with a very good mood, bullish. We should have this week continue bullish because that's how it should be. When we have 1, 2, 3, we have about 1, 2, 3, 4 week close bullish. Then surprising this week, you can see that the market has no directions. So confirmations, when you have a weekly candle closing bullish, is a sign that price is bullish. And when we have, look at where bearish, when it's closing bearish. But what I can find out is that the momentum at which it's closing bearish is we have more momentum, aggressive. Look at this, bearish. Look at this, bearish. All the big candle. And when you look at the day, the week that we bullish, what time. So even this 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, it's not up to what happened in 1 week. So this is a sign that for now, dollar is really messing up. So we should stay away from even bearish dollar, long dollar, and we look for a way to trade against dollar, because by tomorrow, which is Friday, if this guy close bearish again, if this guy end bearish, so there's possibility that price can come sweep this low, maybe upper week. So, but if this bearish candle, today's this Thursday, so you have today and tomorrow, if you close back bullish above this 100, 100 is a psychological number. It's very powerful. So if price close back above this psychological number, then that can be a continuation for bullish. But for now, so as this now, we are bearish. We are bearish. So you can see we are bearish. So we are bearish week, and we have all this low here, that are old lows, which are drawn for liquidity. So maybe targets where we are going. So what we'll just do this morning and look for how we can trade the opposite side against dollar. That's all. So we'll come to our GU. Yesterday, we're happy that GU could not break this high, right? And it closed down. But when the way the candle closed, I was not so. This was not closed it's not closed like a pin buy, just close like indecision candle. So when you see the candle open, so yesterday we closed bullish, and today now we are resumed bullish. So this guy is bullish. What will be the next target? I tell you, this high may not hold. So I have closed all my trade now, both on, no, I have a trade yesterday. This morning, I just scrolled it with small, this in small profits, even my share. So I'm just on neutral. So I don't want to trade favor in dollar again. Dollar is very weak. So look for opportunity to go to trade against dollar, buy GU, buy other gold. So that's what we'll see. So let's look at the next zone that we might be our drawn liquidity on this guy. So the next one we have here now is, so this guy will be our next target, which is our drawn liquidity. So if we have this high, if we have price trade above this high today, then this place is vulnerable for the next target. So we have if you have GU close above this high today, then the next target is just like this bullish flag. This is where I really miss on. This is where I miss I miss entry from. Immediately. Maybe okay. I think what I'll be doing now, when price close by 10 p.m., I need to be doing personally a night that night analysis to know how market close, because as price break out from this flag, this bullish flag, this is a bullish flag. Now we see a retest. So this here is a perfect entry to go long, because a bullish flag price will move in the opposite direction. So that is it. So what we can do now is we look for entry to buy GU. So let's come to smaller time frame. If we can get entry, maybe a pullback by, let's see. So we are looking for what? What are we looking for? Opportunity to go long on GU. Look for entry on GU. The only thing now is that even the price action here is not. So what we're going to do, let's put a bar above here. So let's put a bar above here. So that's how we can get entry. If you see price close above this high, then that will become internal break of structure. Then we can now look for a buy opportunity and go long. So that's what we'll be looking at on this guy. So I can see now that, okay, I can see clearly now that price have formed low of the day. So Asia low of the day has been formed. So I'll be looking for a buy opportunity on GU, maybe during New York, when the news come by 1:30. Let's see the reaction of the news. So I'll be looking for a buy opportunity during New York. So that is it. On GU, all we should be looking for is a buy opportunity, as the order flow of the day is bullish. The order flow of the day is what? Is bullish. So the order flow is bullish. So we'll go to smaller time frame, look for an entry to join. Any fair value gap, let's see if there's fair value gap on 4 hours that can trigger us. No fair value gap, everything is well balanced. 2 hours in call. If we can get any fair value gap that will take us in, everything is just to balance. It's only here, this demand, but at this now, I don't think that price will come to this demand for now. 1 hour, can we see everything is well balanced? It's 15 minutes, 30 minutes, nothing. 15 minutes, nothing. So let's look at gold. Mm. Gold is doing back. That I have a feeling that yesterday that when gold get to this place, it will sell. But am I ready to sell? I don't think so. No, I don't think so. So let's just mark this imbalance here. So let's mark that imbalance. That would be, let's see where the imbalance fall so that we can, okay. So the imbalance fall on this can, right? So let's mark the O imbalance. So we can wait. We can wait for now that we know that dollar is bearish. So I think it's very ideal to so if we can wait for gold to drop into this imbalance here, then look for a buy. I think there's that this high is vulnerable for target. So that is good. So gold, wait for price to drop into this imbalance here. Then look for a long opportunity. It's better stay on bullish side than bearish side, so that we not be caught up on unnecessary something. So just be patient. Be patient. Let price drop into the what? Into that imbalance. So it's better we go long. It's better we go long on gold than to short it. It's better we go long on gold than for us to do what? To short it. So this move was a very nice move. I foreseen the move, but it's just fortunate that I was not on the trade. I was waiting, and the reason why I was not on the trade, I was waiting for a retest immediately price. And see when price close out, break out from this resistance 1 hour. So this where price break out. This was the candle. So I was not on seat when price. If I saw it immediately price close above this resistance, I would just enter, do buy immediately, because that is how gold move. Once what you do is you just draw the resistance and support. Anywhere grow, just close, follow it like that. So it was here when I saw it. So I was looking at, okay, maybe they will come back to do a little retest, to this place so that I can buy. But that retest never happened. Never happened. And you see, you get to target. So now you can have the opportunity to go long back as it come back to this zone. So we look for what? Bullish evidence and go long on gold. So I prefer buying side on gold than to sell. So let's just be patient. Let's be patient. Before we know it, price will get here. Can we get here during New York? Maybe gold move more on New York session. So patient and wait for it. So when it dropped to this, and let's see how we can bullish gold. This is my prediction of gold for a buy opportunity. If we say we should set a buy limit, the stop loss will be too large. Let's see what we take. If we do a buy limit, for example, you see, there's nowhere we can put our stop loss base. If we put it there, we don't know where to put it. So we cannot really set a buy limit around there. If we put it there, that will be over 400 pips, which is too big. The reward ratio is not good. 1 point, no, 1.6 not good. So the best thing is watch out as price come to display. When you see in 15 minutes or 1 hour, a rejection around there, giving you a bullish rejection, a swing low, so you can look for a buy around this boss here. I'm seeing gold will go long around this boss and go long. So do anybody have a side view on gold? What is your takes? Well, take on gold. Do you have any view? You think that this is what gold you will do? You can mute yourself and make your contributions. So but this is what I presume that the best idea for us to. So I know some people will say, let me quickly sell. Fine. If you want to quickly sell, you can still make money. Just be ready for the risk, ready to take the risk. So if you want to sell, that you can make that decision for yourself. I think price have validated this now. So truly, if we are looking at gold should drop here, so you can still drop. You can still drop this over 600 pips. It's not a small thing. So this is what we should do if that is you want to sell. So we have this low here. Allow price to do what? To close below. So we have this kind of support here. So allow price to close below this support. Let's say 1 hour. Let's draw it. Let's drop on it. So allow an hour candle to close below the support. Then you can buy, you can do stance. Your stop loss will come above here. So that will be over, let's say you sell from here, immediately close with body. So you can have like over like 300 pips stop loss with 0.01. That is $30. Okay, go again. So know what you are doing. Because if you are selling anything now, your stop loss that's the ideal place to put your stop loss. Or if you want to have a tight stop loss, once you break here, close with body, doing stance, you can put your stop loss here. So like something like this. Let's see if the risk is worth taking. Let's do a stance, or we put our stop loss there. And this one's still good. That's $16 risk on 0.01. So you can target this low. That's 3 ARP. So that will give you this is a very good reward ratio. If you have gold, play out in this way. So I've given us 2 scenarios. Now you cannot make your decision, but make sure that this 15-minute candle is close with body around here, not weak. If you want to sell, you can sell and put your stop loss, have a tight stop loss around there. In case it doesn't go well, you just take it out with minimum $10 to $15. And if you go your way, that trade can give you like $50 to $40 if you go your way. So you are putting $15 on the table to make $50. So the risk is worth taking if you are ready to wait for the buy. Wait for the buy. These are the two views. These are the two this thing that that I'm giving us. So I think price is coming. We have 2 minutes now for that candle to close. We have 2 minutes for that candle to close. I'm coming. Let me quickly see something. No. So we have 2 minutes for that candle to close. I'm not going to sell. I'm not selling gold. Do you get the point? I rather look for what? A deeper come to this zone and look for a buy. So, but if you want to sell, I've given you what you can do to sell. So let's move to other currency pair. We'll come back to gold and see what it's doing later. So we'll talk about this guy already. The market is not, it's not really friendly though. So we have this guy, which is Euro USD. Now, Euro USD, I think I'm changing my buyer from the bearish he gave before to what? To bullish. Now, let me clean the chart. Yeah, I think I've changed my view now since price have closed above here. So initially, price closed here, and we're looking at we could have price rolling back to some of this low, but the thing has proven us wrong, and now we have daily candle close. See, daily candle close is very powerful, especially when we come to zones which it close a strong support or a strong resistance. So don't joke with it. When you see a daily candle close above support, that thing may go, continue buying. And we see a close above resistance, may continue buy, and close below support, may continue sell. So we look at here, we have this daily candle close here, this candle cut a retest, and we move, price move down to this place. Now, price move back to that place, so this imbalance was at work. So this imbalance, now what did happen? Push price up. So I was still looking at, okay, price around here that we may roll down. But now, we have yesterday candle close bullish above this high. I can see what this candle is doing now. It's like a retest. So the next target now, and based on the weakness on DSY, based on the weakness of DSY, then all these guys will be positioned for a bullish. So for me now, I am positioned for bullish on these guys, no more selling. So we have this trend line violation now, bullish. So we'll be looking for what? A bullish opportunity now. So let's go. Now, this will become what? A strong support for price. So here. So everything has now become what? Strong. So if we get price can tap into here, maybe a little down. So we can look for what? Opportunity to go long. So on what? On Euro USD. So this place now become what? A very strong demand zone for price now, or a support zone, whereby we shall be going long. We should look for a long opportunity on this guy. So we just need to, though the market condition is not favorable, but what can we do? All we need to do is just to look for wherever the position the market is, we'll just change. We change. So if giving us bearish, we are bearish before, and the market has changed to bullish, we don't need to be doing strong edge I must say. So we just change based on the directions. So Euro USD, I think Euro USD now is very, if you get a buying position, you have a very good reward ratio to go. Imagine, this is a drawn liquidity. So I just wish this guy come down more here and give us an entry. Give us an entry. So we have now for 2 hours, we have break of structure. Let's go to 1 hour. All I'm doing now is looking for an entry for us to just be on this trade. And then, so this low, let price come and take out this low again. That test this zone properly. So from this zone is my zone whereby I will love to go long on the Euro USD. So let the news bring this guy here so we can look for a buy opportunity. So that is direction. So this is direction we are now on Euro USD. That is direction we are now. We are bullish, but we don't know what price can do before the end of today. We have a daily candle close back here.
Mr. Vass.
Yes. I have to check what?
Gold.
Gold, Abby?
Yes.
Oh, you gold diggers. Oh, you gold diggers. I have analyzed gold. It's for you to make your. So, your decision have.
Just help us take it. Just help us take it because it's selling somehow. So let's see whether there is hope. That's the thing, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm giving you analysis. The share is yours. By now, you should be on the trade by now. So all this you are talking, you want to sell, you should be on the trade by now. And okay, I don't know. This is how many risk. This is let me one of my accounts. Let me take down the risk also. So that
I'm already on the sell. I'm already on the sell.
Wow. Okay.
I
myself.
So as he was giving me a drawdown, so I have to go for sell. I'm already on the sell. I'm on profit somehow.
Okay, that's me myself. Let me take one account and sell from that account in $16.
Before we started the class, I was already on a sell.
Let me take $16. This is firing. Guy, fast. This account should open. Let me take one of my accounts and take the risk. This is going on. SAU. It's not a must that you this is don't go far. What did they happen now? Now lie you talk. I must join you. Now from $16, it don't take me to like $20 risk. So I'll take it for one account, risking $20, right?
It has a strong momentum. It's moving with a strong momentum.
Let's see. Let me set my stop loss on where it is, so I'll see how it will go. 3 3.130. Let me say take profit. Sorry, I just do some things here. follow scalper people do this one for this account. So that is it. So let's see how it go. Let's see how that thing go. But the best way is, I think this candle now, this candle must close. That former candle did not close below. So this candle now will be the confirmation that, okay, really close below that range I marked out. I can tell you this guy will buy later. So this guy will buy later. I'm very high positive that here go with bullish back. So let's go now. When this 945 will come back, we'll see how that candle close. We'll see how that candle close. If that candle should not close bullish, it's not just close bullish at all. If you close bullish. Okay. Let me sum it up first. I want to make one announcement, quick one. No, every day I have an announcement. Everything I've just been looking for way out that all of us will be making money. So I'm planning something, and when it's ripe, I'll let us know that maybe once in a week, maybe from next month or next week, where out of accounts, we want to do maybe once in a week, be doing account flipping to flip account. And this is what we're going to do on the day of that account flip. I will tell us what we do. Then we just maybe move $10 with $10 into that account that we are going to use. Tell us the particular account we are going to use. So we just move like $10 inside. $10. So which will be that $10 will be our risk limit. Will be our risk limit. That we don't care if that $10, if we lost it, we lost it. So so we just create one particular account and move the $10 into that account. So that day, the day we are going to do that account flipping, our live session will be 8 a.m. I know the reason. I'm not giving us the detail. I'm just giving us some spice. So, because the setup that I'm going to use and the strategy, we're going to use London opening session, that 8 a.m. So we're going to flip that account maybe once in a week, flip it, and let's see how we can flip that $10 to a substantial amount. I will give us more details on that account flipping maybe next week or tomorrow. Let's see how the thing will go. So because I discovered that risk management is good now, but when you have a good account, big account, you enjoy trading with good risk management. For example, say you have like 10K account. In a month, you do 10%. That is $1,000. You can feed your family, you'll be okay. Then $1,000 is very good. But you have $100. In a month, you do $10. It's no, even the $10 it's not up to recharge card, the internet. Every week I spend like 5,000 on internet just to hold this session. So you can see now you have $200 account, you made 10% in a month, $20. You are a family man. So risk management is good. Number one, when you have a good account, that okay, even in a month I do 5% of this account, I still have, if I convert it to my Naira, I still have good money. You can still take care of me and my family for the week. So, but all those small accounts, you can also make a social amount sometime when we're ready to risk. No gain, no loss, no gain. So sometimes go out there to close your eye that this $50, I want to risk it. So you are not doing risk management on that $50. You are ready to lose it. That is the meaning. I'm ready to lose it. If I lose the $50, this $20, this $10, you will not pay me. Then you can do account flipping. And if you go away, you can turn that $50 to very good amount, 200, 500, 1,000. I do follow some people that today they have made millions of dollars in the market, and just what they do is account flipping. They flip account. So flip account is good, but it's for risk takers. Yes. Richard say yes, sir. Carry go flip. Yes. You say me. I only come here and tell you there's some things, because the good thing
Okay, we
is
are with
us
you.
making
God bless.
money.
We are with you.
It's
We are
God
with
making
you.
money. So flipping account sometimes, and if you know what you are doing, not all the time, but if you go your way, sir. Somebody flip a $6,000 in a single day, and for almost $20,000. We have seen some people that say, okay, they flip not a single day, maybe a period of time, flip $5,000 to $1 million. There's no way you can trade normal trading, risk management trading with $5,000, even a whole year, to become $1 million. But all those people that flip account that, okay, this $5,000 is my stop loss. So, but we will not start with that. We don't have the deposit for that now, but we can start with like $10. We can start we can start with $10. Let's begin to flip like $10, like $5, based on our account. Very soon we can move to flipping like $20. So yeah, I can see so many people they are with me on this. You want to make money. All right. So we have 1 minute for this candle to close. So now let's go. Okay, at least that close. So this candle are close below this low. This guy should move. I think this guy should move. This guy should move. So let's leave it. Talk of GU, EU gold. Even my chef trade that, wow, this is push up. Do you know that I take annoyance, get out from this trade this morning? And now the trade on the, I hate when I get into a position and the market is just moving in all this manner. What I expect is when price tap into another block, there should be a bounce. But I'll be in profit, I'll be in loss, I'll be in profit, I'll be in loss, be in profit. It is so this morning I just exit the trade. So now, what's the way forward to this guy now? So let me do it in this way. I don't like. Now I want to see a daily candle close. I think for me to get in to buy on this trade, I need to see an engulfing daily candle. I think that would be a best way for me. So I need to see that a daily candle close above this previous sell candle. I think that is best. That's the best scenario that I'm going to give this guy now. So if I see daily candle, this daily candle, maybe at the end of the day, I close bullish like this. This will be a better thing, because this candle, this yesterday candle that closed, I don't like this. Not a pin bar. A pin bar will not close. A pin bar will not close with big body. A pin bar will close with long day and a small body. But this will close with big body. So as far as we are concerned, what is the market? What is the market order flow? We are still bearish. So this what is happening now is still a bearish day. So this can just, maybe what we're trying to do now is price tries to form the high of the day. It will just trade half of this candle now. You will now see this thing start to weak and begin to sell. So now, if this guy continues selling, now this drawn liquidity. So that is what. So I'm out of this. I close out this trade this morning because I don't like the movement. What is giving me. So let me delete it. So I'll be waiting. This high, this daily, yes, previous daily high is a must for, or, okay, or I do it in this way. Let me bust this place. Now I have a series of, this place forming a resistance, right? Let me delete this. I have a resistance. We have what? Support, forming a support here. So let's see if this guy's ready to bullish, then close 4 hours above that high. Close 4 hours above here. So we can now say, okay, that we are ready. Otherwise, I will consider this as a bearish day, a normal bearish day. So let's see how that goes. Let's see how it goes. So let's leave that. I need to see a very convincing mood to get into this trade. So let's come back to 1 hour. If we see, so price is ranging now. You can see now this is a ranging market. So this is a ranging. Let's see where price will go out, and then we can now go. So patience is needed. Okay, likewise, the USDJPY has defied. We're looking for price to bullish. We're looking for bullish, but thank God that patience is very, very key. Imagine this zone could not hold. Price tested this trend line. What do you see? We have price bounce. So we have price giving us a new high. So for USDJPY, for a bullish, if you are looking for a buy, please for now stop. You need to see price close above here, a retest, then you can now go on USDJPY. Otherwise, this place is a target, drawn liquidity. So let me delete this. That other block failed. So we are looking for break of structure, a change of character. You can see our market has been printing break of structure. We are breaking structure. So we need this, the last high, price to validate that high. Then we're not sure that, okay, we are ready to buy this guy, right? So that is it. So do you have any other trade you want me to look at? I love to buy this guy from this zone. We have break of structure. Price has formed what? Liquidity. So price has formed this liquidity here. So that's liquidity for us. So price come back, tap into here will be very good. Then we'll go long. So that is
Mr. Vardy,
okay, I can hear you.
Eurocard, sir.
Eurocard, okay.
So it's a buy limit. Has not activated yet.
Okay, you have a buy limit there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see. Let's see, Eurocard, where are we? Oh, Eurocard. We have, please, you can put your trade on the chat box as I look at them. So we have break of structure. So what is the, so this is the, so I prefer, I'll be looking at this guy to look for a sell around here. A sell, for me, that's what I'm looking out for. Based on higher time frame projection, look at even on 4 hours. Even on 4 hours, this is the last break of structure. Though this place is also a break of structure. We have a break of structure here, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So come in. I know what's on your mind, though. Okay. We have a break of structure. So you're looking at a change. It has not changed character. All these things are weak. Everything is not weak. So don't think that it has changed character. So
okay, sir.
we have a break of structure. Now,
Yeah.
this place is the supply zone, and that's why it's reacting from there. That's why it's reacting from that place. But the reason why I don't want to trade from that place is because of we have a higher supply zone that has this fair. Though it may not come back there again, I don't know, this fair value gap. So price has tapped into that fair value gap. If you look at it, yes, price tap into it. And that's why you see this sell. But I love to trade from that supply zone. So this last candle here, is my supply zone. So I love to trade for that supply zone. So if you can get one more push, so you can do a sell limit. I think I will do that. Just take, so you can get a sell limit. It will be that you can do a sell limit, or you wait for confirmation entry. Though,
All right.
you see, you have this big fair value gap that is here, right? But here is a very strong zone. So just watch out here and see reactions. So it's better for you to sell than to buy. Then if you want to buy, allow price to break here, retest it, then you can continue buying.
All right, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, man. Let's have our gold. What's it doing? Go digger people. Your gold is digging the market. Okay, so I think that will play out later, Sha. With this move, this guy should drop. So any other currency you want me to look at, or any other trade? USD card, okay. USD card.
Mr. Papa, you don't check US30.
If there's a demand for it, I will check it. That's why I say whatever you want.
Okay.
Put it on the charts.
I do trade US30.
The reason why I don't check it because all those instruments are very volatile. So how many of us here, our account are small. So if you don't get it right, your money will just go drain. So this guy in there, you see, USD card and USD chef, they are giving me a deal. Truly. They look bad, they look good for buying. But due to dollar weakness, it's not really giving me, encouraging me for all these things. So we have price, give us a shift in market structure, right? Now, price has come to this, tap into this demand. This is a very good demand, right? So we don't know yet if this demand will hold price due to what is happening on dollar. Due to what is happening on dollar. So let's look where this is coming from. So we have price sweep liquidity from this low. Can see now. So USD card is good for the eye to go long. It's good for the eye to go long. But we just need a way. And if we go long, and if this guy is very push up. So now let's not go to smaller time frame. We'll just take risk and then allow the trade to do its things. I think that is it. So 1 hour. I think what we are seeing now, price is carving some movement. So price tap into the demand, give us this leg. I don't like this kind of short leg. So can we, wow, this is very dicey situation. Okay. I'm looking for way we can go long on this. And this is why I don't like this leg, this high, because of this leg is too short. 4 hours, let's see 4 hours. What 4 hours doing? $15. Well, this leg is too short. About 1 hour. Just looking for a suitable ways we can get in. Okay, can we align this place? Let's see price closing. Okay, so let's use that place as a mini resistance and see how price reacts when you get to this place. If I have a break, then we can look for a buy. So, but from higher time frame, it's good. I think from daily, price is reacting. But I don't want another way. I don't just want this guy to be a kind of, because yesterday closed with good bearish, and with this kind of closing formation, there's not a signal, a proper signal here that we can say, okay, this thing. So let's see how today candle close also will determine. We can't tell now that this candle is bullish. It can go small and collapse. Before you know, it will just collapse and become a wick and begin to sell. So we must make sure that this guy move in a good direction for us. So USD cards, it look for the eye to bullish, but we need more convincing situations to really know that this guy is bullish. So that is it. So do I have GJ? I told you that GJ, just forget about GJ. That GJ, this is where you should be looking out for GJ. I told you that, price was say yesterday, I said this is the liquidity here. Just forget about GJ. So when GJ come here, we'll be looking for a bullish evidence to buy. So, and don't be surprised. This place can also start to draw liquidity. So for now, on GJ, look for a sell opportunity than to buy until price get to this place. Yes. Now, okay, Mr. Richard, that is good. You can use a micro account, in fact. But the problem of micro account is to make $10, you must make $1,000. So $1,000 on micro account is equivalent to $10. So that is it. So $10 is about $100,000. No, if 1,000 is $1,000 is $10. So that is it. So you can use it. All right, guys. Thank you for this morning session. Hope.
Thank you.
Let's just follow all those market directions. Direction is very, very important, and stay focused. So see you tomorrow again.